Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Welcome back, everybody. We have a very special episode today because we've had a very special request from one of the many wonderful subscribers to Fun with the Fab Fork. Shannon asks, "Hey Michelle, would you make a Salmon Orzo recipe for me, please?" Absolutely, Shannon. And here we go. This Salmon Orzo with spinach recipe is a delicious, heart-healthy choice on the Mediterranean diet, which has long been considered one of the healthiest diets out there. Let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. 2 salmon fillets, about 4 ounces each, with the skin on. 1 cup of plain dry orzo. 8 ounces of frozen spinach. 1.5 ounces of cherry or grape tomatoes. 2 cups of chicken stock, low sodium. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for cooking the salmon. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for drizzling on the plate afterwards. 1 lemon for drizzling and garnish. And chopped parsley, a small sprig would do for garnish. Now the materials you'll need, ideally, you'll need 2 saucepans, 1 nonstick sauté pan, and a wide spatula. And as always, you can find the full list of ingredients and instructions in the description below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see many more delicious recipes. Peace, love, and good eating.